delighted to have Ken Komazawa join us from NTT. He is Vice President, Platform Services Department, Network and Cloud Division at NTT Comware Corporation. And Ken began his career at NTT in 1997 and later joined NTT Comware. Since 2010, he's driven IT governance and strategy, updating IT policies, optimizing costs, and leading system integrations. In 2014, he launched a global business information visualization program and implemented enterprise architecture to advance NTT's digital transformation. His achievements include building a data governance platform, streamlining operations, and executing a large-scale ERP implementation. Since 2024, Ken has been promoting platform services business at NTT Comware. And I was fortunate enough to see Ken present at an event put together by the Open Group Japan and Fujieda-san and his team back in December, and thought it would be a great thing to share to a wider audience. So please give a warm welcome from the Open Group to Ken Komazawa. Welcome, Ken.
Thank you. Hi, today I'd like to show you continuous enterprise development and enterprise architecture. This is NTT Group's use case. So today's agenda is 4 blocks. Who am I? I'm Ken Komazawa, call me Ken. So next is why enterprise architecture. I know it's ridiculous to talk to about Tamer. You know, enterprise architecture specialist, but I'd like to make common understanding all of us. So number 3 is how to develop enterprise architecture and transform our business. This is our use case. So last is a final message. So this is my introduction. I'm Ken Komazawa from NTT Comware. NTT Comware is NTT Group's internal IT company. So, but today's presentation is my previous mission. I used to work NTT Holdings, and I was all NTT Group's IT architecture and IT strategy, IT governance mission I have. So, do you know, by the way, do you know NTT Group? Oh, really? Oh, right. Sorry. So, NTT is a Japan telco company, but now a global lifestyle company. So, we have a 4 segment. One is integrated ICT, especially mobile in Japan and B2B business. And another is regional communications, Japan fixed line company. So third is a global solution. NTT Data is a global delivery team. So another is a real estate, energy, and so on. So this is NTT Group's digital transformation concept. We set up this concept in 2018. So this is a 2 layer we have. So low layer is our own digital transformation we have. So and the process standardized, data standardized, and our data gathering, connect and share and utilize to our all of our stakeholder. So our customer, our partner, our employee, our society, all of our data distribute to our stakeholders. So this is business growth and change. For continuous business, I think for continuous business development need continuous change. To achieve this, a company must integrate business, IT, and people. So the framework for them is enterprise architecture TOGAF, right? So what is enterprises architecture? You know enterprise architecture, right? But we explained that 3 points. One is a domain, and one is a process, one is overall and details. And domain is a very business, data, and system and technology. But the most important, I think, is rules, and culture, and organization. And center is a process. Process is this slide is using ADM, but right side is design, and left side is development. Development is very difficult for entity group. So last is overall and detail. This is a bird eye and bug's eye. So I need to back and forward, over and detail, move on. I need to, because IT guys, if project started, so IT guys focus on a project and focus on QCD, quality, cost, and delivery. So IT guys forgot what is the goal. So I need to back to overall goal. What is the goal? So this is a good picture for me. I can see two handsome guys. One is Stevenson, and another is Jackson. Jackson is Japan's enterprise architecture, TOGAF's the Open Group's chairman and the Open Group's fellow. So he's my master. So we drive to training enterprise architecture entity groups, and so many people get certified TOGAF and Archimate. So the open group get entity groups the prize 2021. So for future enterprise design, I think I need 2 points. Design is enterprise architecture, you know, and another is single source of truth. Enterprise architecture is very important, but because communicate IT guys and business guys is maybe separated to communicate these guys and the common framework. So enterprise architecture is very powerful for me. So and next is a single source of truth. This is same reason. So we communicate what is truth, what is who is determining the information, which is determined. Yeah, right. So we started enterprise activity 2019. So we firstly we set this enterprise architecture maturity model, because where is entity group's position I like to understand. So and communicate another company to where is the position. So we set 4 domain: organization, approach, and environment, and education. So maturity is 3 maturity. Just started, and IT guys derived under enterprise architecture driven. And how to develop an enterprise architecture in entity group is a 10 process. So first is policy, making policy and strategy. Next is ownership. I fund, and the driving team, COE. COE is my team. So next is set up a goal, enterprise architecture's goal. And next is governance. And number 6 is governance, but this is a governance mechanism making. So 7 is a target architecture. This is just a started project. So, and number 8 is a two-way approach. Two-way approach means enterprise approach and community approach. So last is a visualization of results, monitor the project. So last is self-purification mechanism, lesson and kaizen. So this is our entity group's enterprise architecture document structure. So we set a business architecture, data architecture, application architecture, and technology architecture. So 4 domain we create, and firstly we set a vision and a detail we write. So this documentation update 3 months over time. Maybe we update 8 times for 5 years. So next is the enterprise architect mission team. I think we had 3 types of people driving enterprise architecture. One is business and operation capability, and one is technology, IT guys, and third is data analytics, data governance capability. But these guys have a different mission and a different viewpoint they have. So enterprise architect is communicate different type of people. So this is a group governance and rules. Entity group have IT governance rules. So many documents we have. So and this documentation management under group CIO committees. We have a group CIO committees, maybe main companies, 8 companies. And group IT governance rules have a charter and principle and guideline. So this documentation contracted parent company and operation companies under contracted this documentation do. So this is a governance mechanism. Governance mechanism is a very important point. Left side is a group enterprise architecture. We called level 0 architecture. SOE, system of engagement, is a user touch point. SOR is a process, all of our enterprise process. And SOC is a system of control zone. So entity groups set a digital platform to control network security and data governance for SOC. And especially, this is a governance mechanism of data. Top layer is a master data management for control our data. So second, central layer is a transaction layer. So all of systems through using a data hub. This is a highway. And bottom layer is a data lake, and all of transaction data stored data lake, and it is very easy to analytics our data. So this is a two-way approach: governance approach, enterprise approach, and a community approach. Firstly, we drive just only a governance approach, but this approach doesn't have a good idea, innovative idea we don't have. So we started to another approach, community approach. But this is ideathon and a hackathon. But this is very difficult to have a balance of this. So in entity groups case, 70 and 30 mainly is a governance approach. And this is COE, my team's program management. My team mission is focus on just 3 points. One is promoting enterprise architecture, and second is a cross-cutting issue and high-level issue we managed. And last one is monitoring all of project and program. So this is improve my business. My point of view, preliminary phase, who is a stakeholder we involved, and vision is a simple message we create, and another is business guys drive is very important for us. So we drive digital transformation activity, especially back office transformation. It means ERP. So we make a cost reduction, 20% cost reduction we make, and employee experience we update. We can update. So next is we challenged to future action for two future action. One is CX for mobile customer voice of customer analytics, and another is innovative activity ION. So mobile customer VOC analytics in Japan. Mobile market is very competitive. So we get a voice of customers data, all of voice of customer data we get, and analytics using AI. So feedback to a new customer service and a current customer service we use. And this is a ION. Sorry. ION is a photon and electronic technology. So this is a very challengeable technology and integrate. So this efficient, energy efficient is I like. So energy efficient is 100 times efficient. So R&D team mentioned to me this technology will be charged mobile phones charging once a year. Is it true? I don't know. Is it true once a year, half a year? But this is a photon electronic integration is a very high potential we have. So, but now we drive to global home. It needs a standardized, but current is 155 companies in globally forum we made. So if interested in this forum, please join us. So this is last message. To our digital transformation success factor is IQ and EQ balance. So IQ is a framework and the governance and the rule is very important for me. But EQ, emotional exchange, is more and more important for me. So I want to exchange my emotion to you. So I'm here. That's all. Thank you so much.
Thank you, Ken. Please do take a seat for a question or two.
Okay.
We're between people and coffee, so that's never a good place to be, but we'll do our best. Thank you very much for that, and it was a great pleasure to meet your president in that photo that you sent, and rare opportunity. So it was great. But thank you for NTT's support. The question I've got, I'm combining two questions actually, and it's about obviously you've got your experience of NTT's journey, enterprise architecture journey. This is about the question is, how can we combine business technology and governance without having them be disconnected? So I guess if you could speak maybe a bit about the governance part of your enterprise architecture project, and how that integrates with the technology.
NTT is a telco company, and all global telco company I know is very traditional. In NTT Group is traditional too.
Right.
So it's established their process and their work. So it's breakthrough is very difficult. So it needs a very strong governance and mash up business and IT. So we focused on the governance.
Right.
Yeah.
Right. And we often hear that the most successful enterprise architecture projects are where there is governance from the top, where there is top management is supportive and driving the was that the case with your program at NTT? Senior management believing in the need for the project?
Yeah, but our project owner was a CEO. CEO supported, very strong supported for us. Right. So project and governance ownership is very important for us. So ownership messaging to all of NTT groups, it needs digital transformation using architecture. Right. So it's easy to staff driving is very easy. Yeah.
It comes from the top. Last question, Ken. You talked about the 10 steps in the question that's come in is, how long did it take you to establish the 10 steps inside your organization?
Actually, these 10 steps established 5 years.
Right.
Very big project was using 5 years. So 5 years, I drive to 5 steps.
Right. Okay. So and there's more, as you said, there's more to come in the future. Of course, it's never quite complete, but But that's you've answered the question. Thank you very much. So, Ken, thank you for joining us today, and wish you luck on the rest of the enterprise architecture journey.
Yeah.
Digital transformation.
Thanks so much.
Thank you, Ken. Thank you.